I'm Professor Dr. Xanya Sofra. I have two doctorates, one from City University London and one from New School for Social Research, New York University in New York. I have written several books that have been translated in 12 different languages and about 58 articles that have been published on different subjects, including empowering the woman and cosmetic gynecology. I will be joining Rico Jin. Professor Magon has been very kind to invite me. I will be revealing a lot of secrets in my lecture and how women really feel, what they say at the foreground and what they really feel at the background, because I'm sure this is a very important aspect that we need to look at and understand in order to empower women. And this is our goal in cosmetic gynecology, is how to empower women, how to make them feel more comfortable with themselves, how we can make them feel happier. So I'm there to reveal a lot of hidden issues, many secrets. So make sure you attend this lecture. It's going to be very interesting. I'll see you there, and I'll be there to answer any questions that you may have. See you there.